Wayne, you want to eat some Corvair van beef jerky from...
How many years ago is that?
No telling. All right, we're back and we're emptying out the Corvair van underneath the floor today. And once I started pulling it out, it was some pretty crazy stuff. So I'm gonna set the camera down here and I'm gonna try and show everybody what comes out from underneath the floor. Like, there was a registration from Burnout Houston a million years ago. Two spare axles, of course, because you can't travel in a Corvair van without those. Got some killer artwork by Todd Jones back when the Corvair was blue. He did all this. This is a picture I used to always carry at JC. You probably won't be able to see it too well. Let's get where you can see it. But it's JC sitting on a toilet at the Biltmore. So she'll be proud that I did that. But she's pretty awesome. And I always thought that was a great photo of her. And it's printed out. So obviously back in the film day. Oh. Badass painted panel. I'm not even sure who did this panel. A starter. A bottle of swagger from Old Spice, because you know when you live on the road you've got to smell good. So I don't even know if they make these type bottles anymore. I gotta try this. Oh, it still works. Let's probably spray it in here. Of course, a book on fly casting.
I bet you got all kinds of stuff like that.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's well, like I just found that painted panel under there. I don't even know who did it. You know. Of course, a drain pan. If you have a Corvair, you have a drain pan and a spare belt. There's been a ton of car show flyers. So whenever you walk through and drop one of these in everybody's cars, they wind up under the floor of their Corvair vans. So this is covered in oil, but this is really cool. So whenever you join the Corvair Club America, you get a book that has all the addresses and numbers of all the other members. And this, when I traveled 170,000 miles in all those years, this book saved my life. I need to re-up my membership so I can, when I start driving it again, I don't get stuck out. All right, this is a good package here. So used to always carry with ignition coils, spare Corvair parts, envelopes, of course. Let's see here. All kinds of mounts for cameras and stuff. This is pretty cool. This is a Slamology trophy for longest distance in 2011. Pretty sure that was the year that I got interviewed for my classic car. But that's pretty dope. Look at that thing. Awesome. All right, a spare bag. I'm not gonna keep that. I'm running those nice airlift flow bags now. Ooh, check it out. Beef jerky. I wonder how old this beef jerky is. I am not going to eat that. JC would be really mad. All right, just found this bottle of hot rod juice in the Corvair. Nice Allison design. The 2011 improved formula. Allison really does some cool shit. And this was, can't remember, maybe I came from Detroit. I don't know where this came from, but this is definitely going to the house and hang on the wall. It's a cool piece. Thanks, Jeff Allison. All right, this is a pretty cool piece. So I'm buddies with a guy who built Clint Boyer's hot rod that was featured in Rodder's Journal, and this is a piece of the frame that got cut off the end. He signed it and gave it to me, but that I forgot this was in the van, so this is definitely going to the house. But more cool stuff you find in a Corvair van. All right, there was one piece that was already out of the van when I started this video. And back in 2008, we went to Pistons and Paint. That's what the PMP's for. And got totally blown away because we got given the Phantom's pick. And this thing's all handmade. I mean, this thing's ridiculous. It wasn't always in the van. We had it at our house or our loft in Houston when JC was getting her doctorate and all that stuff. And of course, this thing weighs like 50 pounds. So probably don't want to have it flying loose in a Corvair van. But when we picked it up, it was in the van. So just wanted to show you that was actually in there when we picked it up from Octane Iron. But I know this video is probably stupid to a lot of you people, but it's kind of our history and how we got to be not stock photography. As I drove that van 170,000 miles in a little over 4 years. And I'm really stoked to get it back on the road. Got it all gutted out today. Gonna start putting the DEI sound deadener and stuff in it. Got to get the steering wheel swapped. Wayne is actually remounting all the headlights, getting all new adjusters, all new springs, because a lot of that stuff's broke. It's all original 1964. Got a ton of cleaning to do to it. Won't have the roof done, of course. We've talked about that already for Lucky Strike Designs to paint it, but hopefully after LST next year, I can get it up to him, let him paint it, and get the roof swapped out on it and everything. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you won't because it's stupid and beef jerky and spraying swagger on me today. But we're just having a good time and hope you guys enjoy it. And we'll have a few more of these. We've got 15 days till we have to leave for Gathering at the Rock, and I have Fort Worth Good Guys this weekend, so that video will be coming soon too. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you soon.